had enough of her opinion. I like to conform, but don't tell anyone. A line of taxis full of sleeping drivers. She's going nowhere when I'm right beside her now. A university and late night pharmacy. I can't tell yet if that means anything on me. My soul's on parole, but I don't feel no whole. You were the only one there when I was told it. Happiness ain't cheap, so says the magazine. It's not what I wanna be. I'm losing sleep, but I'm not losing dreams. And keep that between you and me. Been a number of combinations, but now I wanna finish this conversation. And contradictory figures of authority. You don't care that I got kids and an ego to feed. But now it's too late to ask you the time. I'll tell the truth straight if I could make it rhyme. Well, civilians, hobos owed millions. A kind of attitude that's hazardous to children. Happiness ain't cheap, so says the magazines. It's not what I wanna be. I'm losing sleep, but I'm not losing dreams. And keep that between you and me. I quit my job before I got let go, and I celebrated it all with matches and petrol, and it lit up the darkness like a vending machine glow. I'm burned just like the thins. I wanna let you know, shoot it, not for the stars. Late at night, confusing cows and cop cars. What's yours is mine, what's mine that's not ours. Tomorrow won't come if we pull down the clock towards midnight comes. All the girls shred the papers while the boys all sneak out to race electric shavers. I can't think of anything else to say for now. Maybe I'll think of something later. Don't put out the fire until there's nothing left to burn. The past 2 minutes there's been one thing I've been thinking, is that we're all in the same boat. But the problem is it's sinking. Thank you. Thank you very much. That is also on the EP.